historic 66 prior to 1937 did run right past here. You can see the historical marker there, and right through this part of Santa Fe. In 1937, there was a political spat between the governor and I believe it was the mayor of Santa Fe. I'll get my facts straight, and I'll have that in the description. But historic 66 did pass right by here.
Are you guys ready to cruise the mother road?
We are.
Okay, let's get out there in that car. Let's turn the key on. Let's put the pedal on the metal. Let's throw it in gear. And let's leave rubber all the way down Route 66. If you ever plan to motor west, take the highway, it's a bed. Get your kicks on Route 66.
Hi everyone, we're here in Santa Fe, New Mexico. Santa Fe is right on the original Route 66, and we decided to spend a few days here. We're standing right here behind me is the cathedral.
And the ball just lifted.
It's a beautiful area. The Museum of Contemporary Art. We're a little early to try to avoid crowds. It's not quite open yet, but it will be shortly. And the big beautiful cathedral is right here. We're in Cathedral Square.
Yes.
We're here at this beautiful alpine lake.
I'm sorry.
You don't have to be sorry.
Sorry.
Hi everyone. We're Dave and Kathy, aka the Traveling Tramps.
Yes.
We want to thank you all for coming today. You didn't have to do that, but we love you for it. And we're so happy that you're here today. It's got a number of squares, a lot of museums.
They tended to do it.
And many beautiful squares.
Yes. So much love.
Let's find out a little bit about it.
I'm glad we got these. We can take.
It's a Santa Fe Cathedral Park and Monument. That is where we are in right now.
Yes, we do.
In Santa Fe, New Mexico. Wonderful statue. It's molded.
Get your feet less.
And that is the cathedral right off to the side.
Yeah.
Right across the street is the Museum of Contemporary Native Arts. Quite often you see Native Americans selling their wares out here.
Yes.
I think they'll be out there a little later. It's a little chilly right now. And again, we're here early.
Yes, it is.
the Cathedral Basilica of St. Francis Assisi. It's a beautiful building. We've gone to masses here in past visits to Santa Fe.
Yes.
We've been here before. It's a beautiful town.
It is.
Statue of St. Francis of Assisi and a beautiful cathedral building.
Yes.
Beautiful building. We'll take a look at the cornerstone, get some more information. We have gone to masses here before in past visits.
Yes.
Beautiful Native American woman, Cathedral. That is the first Native American female sainted by the Catholic Church. You can see the beautiful ornate doors on the front of the cathedral, starting in 1539.
Yes. That's good. Bless you.
And showing a little bit about the history of Santa Fe.
Knowing.
It's a beautiful cathedral. It was built, I believe he said,
Yes.
see the Stations of the Cross on the wall. The beautiful stained glass.
Yes.
Baptismal font right in front of us.
Yes. Yes. Jane.
We're standing here in the original chapel that was built in 1740 that predates the main part of the cathedral that's right out
Yes.
behind us. So it's a beautiful cathedral. It's well worth a visit if you come here to Santa Fe. It was built this building was built in, I believe it's 1880, but I'm terrible with dates, so the right time will be here.
Yeah.
And but the original chapel, which we looked at, that was inside there too, was built in 1740. So that